Yo. Tecno may have just done the biggest thing they could have done to any smartphone, making a thinnest smartphone that looks very similar to a particular device. This is the Tecno Spark Slim, and in this video I'll tell you all about it, the ins, the outs, the specs, and some tests. So let's begin the video by talking about the specs on this device. I'm Dessy, and this is my review of the Tecno Spark Slim. Let's start with that mind-bending design. We're talking 5.93mm thin on the 4G model and barely thicker at 5.95mm for the 5G version. It's a masterpiece of engineering made possible by their honeycomb space stacking technology, which optimizes the placement of 8 core components for a 12% space saving system. Even the back cover uses 0.36mm aerospace grade fiberglass to save thickness whilst boosting strength, and it weighs about 156 grams, which is unbelievably light. Now let's talk about the display. This is a flagship level AMOLED curved display. It's got 1.5K ultra high definition and the battery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. When you take this phone outdoors, you appreciate the max brightness of 4500 nits. But my favorite little observation here is it supports wet and oily hand touch control. So if you're caught in rain or you just finished eating a pizza, you can still scroll flawlessly. This isn't something that's existent in a lot of phones, and I'm really glad Tecno included it right here because I do find myself using my phone with greasy fingers, sometimes whilst eating, and the ability to be able to do this whilst having greasy fingers is amazing. But when you talk about battery, this is why I feel Tecno has broken some law of physics. I don't know how they did it because this is a 5.9mm thin frame. This thin of a device, they somehow managed to pack a huge 5160 mAh high capacity battery, which is amazing. Imagine, that is enough battery to keep you going the entire day and some more, if you're not a heavy user of course. And also when you need to top it up quickly, you do get 45 watt wide fast charging, which takes you from empty to full in about 55 minutes. They've also added some seriously smart battery technology, like bypassing charging. So look at this. If you're gaming or you're streaming, it doesn't power the battery, it rather powers the phone directly, skipping the battery to prevent overheating. Plus, it does offer 10 watt wide reverse charging. It's basically a kind of power bank for your friend in an emergency. I have for you this. It's also an endurance beast, and Tecno has guaranteed a 5-year healthy battery cycle directly in the Tecno Spark Slim. This is a phone that has been built to last. Moving on to personality, you have to talk about the mood lighting design. So the camera module has 2 circular lights. They call them eyes that genuinely mimic emotions. So when the battery is low, they might look unhappy. When you're charging, they animate to look like an eye opened. And when you wake up Ella, the AI assistant, they start running. It's a playful human touch you don't see in other devices. On the topic of AI, the Ella assistant is obviously baked in with a lot of features, and I've spoken about Ella countless of times in several videos. Obviously, I do get in circle to search, where you just circle on a screen, on object in a photo, text or whatever, and the AI is easily able to give you powered results without having to leave the app you are in. It also handles things like live translation during calls, AI writing assistant for quick emails, as well as AI image eraser to erase objects from an image, which is fantastic. I spoke earlier about the mood lighting design, which is found on the camera model. So now let's talk about the cameras. Look, this isn't a flagship camera phone, but it does hold its own when you test it. You're getting a 50 megapixel main sensor on the back, backed up by the unique rear dual flash system, and a 30 megapixel selfie camera to take all your selfies and images. I spent some time testing it out right here on the busy street of Guangzhou in China, and my observation is this. In wordless environments, bright daylight, wordless cafes, the results are definitely decent. Photos come out with good color, and for video, which maxes out at 1440p 30fps, is perfectly usable for social media. If you want to post videos, stories here and there, it's usable. However, once the sun sets and you step into a challenging high contrast scene, you start to see some limitations. The details soften up and it takes a bit longer to process the shot. So while it's fantastic for everyday shooting, there's definitely still room for improvement here, especially if you're a heavy low light photographer. But in no way is this a terrible camera. It's decent and you can pull out enough color out of it to have fantastic looking shots just like this. Now for the stuff that elevates the experience, this phone has an infrared remote control built in. Yes, you can control up to 15 types of home appliances right from your phone. And for performance, whether you get a Helio G200 or the Dimensity 6400 chipset, Tecno is guaranteeing a TUV certified 5 years of fluent usage. The Tecno Spark Slim is built for long-term reliability. And finally, let's talk about toughness. A phone being this thin might obviously worry you about durability, but you don't have to be worried. It has military-grade shock resistance. The screen uses tough Corning Gorilla Glass 7i to protect against drop and scratches, plus it's IP64 dust and water resistant. So bumps, drops, splashes, it can handle it because it's designed to handle all this without a fuss. So this has been the Tecno Spark Slim. Let me know what you think about it. Drop a comment in this video. And if you found this video helpful, share with a friend, drop a like and leave a comment. As well as subscribing to my channel. I'm Dessy. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again in my next video. Peace.